April 27th worksheet is dividing fractions. Dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions, so I'll remind you how to do this. We'll do a couple together. Number one is 3/10 divided by 3/4. The way you're going to do this is you're going to rewrite the problem. You keep the first number the same. Then you're going to change that division sign to a multiplication sign. So you're going to keep, change, and then flip. So we're going to say 4/3 instead of 3/4. So keep, we'll write this at the top, keep, change, flip. Okay, so keep, change, flip. Okay, I know some of y'all said KFC this year, but keep, change, flip. So 3 times 4, just like we were doing on the multiplication, 3 times 4 is 12, and 10 times 3 is 30. We can reduce 12/30ths. We know that 6 goes into both 12 and 30, so 12 divided by 6 equals 2, and 30 divided by 6 equals 5. If you put 12/30ths as your answer, that'd be fine, but let's practice reducing it to 2/5. The next one, 1/8 divided by 5/6. So we're going to keep, we're going to change, and then we're going to flip. And 1 times 6 is 6, and 8 times 5 is 40. And then when we reduce that, we know we can divide 40 and 6 both by 2. So we'll try that first. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 40 divided by 2 is 20, and you cannot reduce 3/20ths anymore. And the last one we'll do together, 3/7 divided by 2/3, keep, change, flip. 3 times 3 is 9, and 7 times 2 is 14. We have 9/14, and you cannot reduce 9 and 14 because 14 can be divided by 2 and 7, but those numbers don't go into 9. So your final answer for this would be 9/14, and then these should be your final answers for the first two. Remember to try to go ahead and reduce it even if you're struggling with that, because on a test they're not going to have this number listed. They're going to have the reduced number for the fraction.